I have Glisten Dishwasher Cleaner. It removes limescale, rust, grease, and buildup. So it disinfects as well. You see that? It says disinfects. So I'm going to add this. I've never used this type of dishwasher cleaner before, but it's supposed to be effective. And I'm just going to go over the instructions really quick before I give it a shot to see how well it cleans. And on the side, the directions are right here. It says directions for use, okay? It says it's a violation of federal law to use this product in a manner that's inconsistent with its labeling. Please read instructions carefully. So I'm going to read these really quick. It says remove cap, do not remove wax plug. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and see what this wax plug thing that they are talking about. So this is the wax plug right here. And I'm assuming that this is supposed to melt and dispense some of the detergent or whatever it is that it uses to clean the dishwasher. So let's take a look at that. And then we're going to go back over and read the next steps. It says place bottle upside down inside the silverware basket or in a secure position on the bottom rack. So I have a silverware dispenser in there that I'm going to place this in. It says close the dishwasher, run machine on the hottest cycle. Do not use eco or quick cycles. All right, recycle an empty bottle after use, of course. And it says here's a note, and this is kind of important. I'm going to zoom in for this so you can see this. It says water must be as hot as possible to melt wax plug. For best results, run faucet nearest the dishwasher until hot before use. Heavy buildup. For heavy buildup, a second application of Glisten, a dishwasher cleaner, may be required. Use monthly as needed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the sink that is connected to the dishwasher, and I'm going to run the hot water like it says. Now, the reason why you want to run the hot water is because you want to get the hot water through the system. You want to get the hot water in the lines, because if it's been sitting all night, sitting all day, the hot water is still in the hot water heater. Therefore, it has to travel all the way to the dishwasher. Now, if you don't have it primed, ready to go to the dishwasher, your dishwasher may be putting out cold water. This is a good note before washing dishes anyway, because you always want the hot water to dissolve all of the solids. All right, so it's hot right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to take a Glisten. I'm going to open up the dishwasher, and I'm going to find the dishwasher rack, silverware rack. Now, if you don't have it, it says find a secure place in here to put it. I have one of these racks, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this dishwasher cleaner right here, and I'm going to place it in there. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the silverware. I just don't want the silverware in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and close it. See how it's sitting upside down right here? Just put it in like that. It's supposed to drip down. All right, so have that in there. And then I'm going to go over here. It says take it to the hottest setting. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And then I'm going to go normal. That should be the hot setting. They said do not use the quick cycle, which is for this dishwasher. It's a Bosch dishwasher. Do not use the quick cycle, which is speed 60 that you see right here, or the eco cycle. All right. If you use those, your dishwasher may not be clean according to the manufacturer's instruction for the Glisten dishwasher cleaner. All right, so I have this selected under normal. I could use normal, or I could actually do heavy, but I'm just going to go ahead and do a normal wash. And then I'm actually going to, it says go to the hottest. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to press the sanitize as well. So I press the normal, and then also have the sanitize on this particular Bosch dishwasher. I'm going to go ahead and start this. All right. I'm going to go ahead and start this and see how well it cleans. All right. So I'm going to press start. All right. And I'm going to shut it and see what happens. All right. So it has finished the cycle. And so I'm going to open it up, and it smells fresh in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the bottle. As you can see, the wax top has melted off, and it dripped the solution down in here. It smells really fresh. It looks really clean. And that is Glisten Dishwasher Cleaner. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.